Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. I had bought this paper napkin serviette. It's called Fantastisk, I guess. Okay, so this is the some of the pictures and description. Let's see. Alright, and then like that. 10 ringgit for 50 pieces. And here this description. And then product details. Material and care, paper, and then measurements, 40-40, packaging, like that, paper napkin, okay, and then yeah, I will take on whatever Ikea saying, and material, what is tissue paper, you can see that, okay, done, right. Okay, so I will leave the link below the video if you're interested to buy. Okay, so let's unboxing and look at the product. Yeah. Okay, this is 40-40. Okay, and detail. Just nothing here. Oh, okay, it's a bit shiny. Oh, okay. Alright, so let's unboxing. Let's see how does it feel. The Ikea product, this paper napkin, serviette paper napkin, whatever. It's so soft. Okay, and then okay, if we open everything, is like this, and then yeah, look at the details, the stem. Okay, and then this goes well with a stand, serviette stand like this that I just bought. Okay, but it's not available anymore. So this is for the Christmas, but I just want to show you the example like that. It doesn't stand if it's just alone. You need few, I guess more like 20 pieces of it will stand better. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.